In this video, I'll be explaining how you can configure Airflow to run your pipelines. So first thing, we will go to the administration section. We'll click on configurations and we'll wait for the configurations to be loaded. And then we are going to click on Airflow. And here currently Airflow is disabled, so we'll just enable it. We assume that you would be having a separate Airflow deployment, so just make sure that you share the Airflow installation host name. So behind the scene, Fire Insights is going to leverage the Airflow REST APIs to connect with the server. Airflow would also be storing the DAGs, so if there's a requirement, then the Fire Insight is going to push all the DAGs that are generated dynamically from the workflow or the pipeline. It will be stored in this particular directory. Let's save the configuration. Now let's go to the project section. Choose one of the project, and we can see that there is one pipeline. Now this pipeline, once we execute it, this is going to run on the newly configured Airflow configuration. So hope that was clear and it helped you to set up your Airflow connection. Thank you everyone.